us know that we eat food daily. Why do we eat food daily? To get energy, to do all the activities we require energy. So where does all this energy come from? All this energy comes from food. That's why your parents ask you to eat good food, nutritious diet and healthy diet. So the source of the energy is food. We eat food to get energy to do all the day-to-day activities. For you students, what do the day-to-day activities mean? Like concentrating on the lessons what your teacher teach, then able to do the cultural activities, participate in the games, then go to your home and do your work, homeworks, go to the tuitions, and all those constitute daily activities for you. So what food did you eat at home today? In breakfast we eat different types of food like chapati, dosa, idli, then we have upma, Mysore bhaji, etc. So many people, different people eat different types of things every day. So do we eat the same kind of food every day? So no, right? If we eat today one vegetable, tomorrow we will eat some another vegetable curry, or day after tomorrow we may eat meat curry if we are non-vegetarians. So all of us do not eat the same kind of food every day. There is lot of variety in the food what we eat. There are many types of vegetables present around us, you know. Whenever you go to market with your parents, you might have seen there are almost 15 to 20 varieties of vegetables available in the market. They are green leafy vegetables are available. Then tubers which grow in the root part like carrots, potatoes, all those are available. Then you have cucumbers, bitter gourd, rich gourds, all those beans, etc. So there are lots of varieties of food. So food variety. So people from different states of India have different food habits. So every state, there are so many states in the India, right? So every state people have specific food habit. So mostly South Indian people, they eat more of idli, dosa, Mysore bhaji, vada, and then they eat more of rice. Whereas people from the northern part of the India, they eat more of vegetables, they eat more of chapati, and then people from eastern states like Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, all this, they eat more of meat. They even eat dog meat, pork meat and many types of meat. So every state has different food habits. Some Karnataka people eat bisbellabath, then Gujarat people eat dhokla, all those thepla. So every state has different types of food habits and different types of, that is the reason there is lot of food variety available in India. If you go to every state, you see different types of food. So there is a lot of variety in the food we eat. Even in the food we eat here as of now, suppose taking the example of South India, in a proper meal, we will have dal, we will have sambar, we will have a normal curry, then we will have a fry curry, we will have a vegetable chutney, we will also have a pickle, we will have a papad, then we will have curd, sweet. So all these constitutes food variety. So have you ever thought how are these food made up of? Do you go to kitchen and see how your parents prepare, your mother prepares the food? So taking example of rice, how is rice prepared? Rice is prepared only with two ingredients, rice and water. Whereas moving on to dal. Dal, if you boil the dal with water, then dal is prepared. Then to make a vegetable curry, many things are required like spice powders, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, then you will need salt, you will need ginger garlic paste. So there are many things required for making a vegetable curry. Then to make meat curry, also you will require meat, many spice powders, garam masala powders, you will require coconut and all those things. Then to make chapati also you need only 2 or 3 ingredients like wheat flour, then water and oil. Only these 3 things are needed to make chapati. Like this, to make different types of food, different types of food items are required. Then where do all these ingredients come from? So to prepare rice, 2 things are required, rice and water. Those 2 things are known as the ingredients of rice. So to prepare any specific dish, the things required, the materials required are known as the ingredients. So before, if somebody asks you the method of preparation of any dish, first you have to mention the ingredients, then you have to move to the procedure of making of that dish. So food materials and their sources. So these idea. Whatever food we eat comes from plants. That everybody knows. All the vegetables which we buy from the market are the plant sources only. So fruits and vegetables come from the plant. We eat different parts of the plant. Green leafy vegetables are the leaf parts of the plant. Sometimes we eat buds of the plant. Sometimes we eat the fruit part of the plant. So fruits and vegetables come from plants. Then rice, the main things like rice, wheat required for making chapati, all these come from the agricultural field. So rice is cultivated in paddy fields. Then we have wheat fields. Farmers cultivate fields, agriculture, crop. So all those they cultivate rice and wheat. Then milk. Everybody drinks milk, right? Milk is a great source of calcium. Then eggs. Eggs is a great source of protein. Meat. Meat is also a good source of protein. Chicken. Chicken is a lean protein. It doesn't give you fat. It is a lean protein. Then fish. Fish is a good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which is very good for your brain. And it is available only in the fish, the omega-3 fatty acid. Then prawns, beef. Beef is a very good source of iron. In beef liver, there will be 93% of iron. Then pork. Pork is pig meat. Beef is cow or ox meat. Then the normal chicken is hen meat. This meat may be lamb meat or goat meat. All these things come from the animals. So these sources of all these things are animals. So take an example of idli. To prepare idli, what are the ingredients we require? We require rice. Idli rice it is known as. It is available in supermarkets, idli rice. Idli can be prepared two ways. Either from idli rice or either from idli rava. So people from different states prepare idli in different ways. Either with rava or with idli rice. So here we require idli rice. We need urad dal. We need salt and water. So all these things come from plant. Mainly rice and dal. The source of rice and dal is plant. Then take one more example, kheer. What is kheer? Kheer is a sweet dish, right? Everybody in every home, especially on any occasions, if there is your birthday or any festival, then we prepare kheer. Kheer is a sweet savory dish. So to prepare kheer, the main ingredients are milk, rice and sugar. So what are the sources of these ingredients? Milk comes from cattle, right? Which cattle gives milk? Cow gives milk, buffalo gives milk. Mainly we consume the milk from the cows and buffaloes only. But there are few other animals also which give milk, like donkey. Then you have goat. These animals also give milk. Then rice and sugar. Rice and sugar come from plant. Rice comes from the paddy field. Sugar cane comes from the sugar cane field. So to make kheer, different ingredients are required, and these sources of these ingredients are also different. Then plants. From this we can conclude that plants are the sources of grains. Grains like wheat, rice are known as grains. Cereals. Cereals means dals especially. Fruits and vegetables. So these four things come from plants. Whereas animals are the sources of milk. As I told you, milk comes from cattle. Cattle means sheep, goat, and donkey, that is ass, or cow or buffalo. Then soya bean milk is also available. Everybody knows that, right? People nowadays drink soy milk because it is very healthy, free from cholesterol. Everybody should try to drink at least 1 glass of soy milk. That improves your immunity also. Then meat. Meat is also always from animals only. Non-vegetarians eat meat. Then we have milk products like butter, cheese, ghee. Then we have paneer, that is cottage cheese. In cheese also we have many types of cheese. For preparing cakes and desserts we use cream cheese. Then we have pizza cheese. Then we have cheese slices for sandwiches. So milk products, there are many milk products, butter, etc. Then eggs. Eggs are also from animals. So these are the food materials.